Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete method to adjust sound and vibration settings on your Poco M8. If these guides help you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, enable the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Now let's begin and update the settings.